Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So my friend is here from Ireland. So we're going to explore London with her.
Hi, I'm Joyce.
Wow.
I came all the way from
the city of Clover. Clover nga ba yun? Dito. City of Clover. Ireland.
Umalis na ako sa UK.
Yan. So later I will explore you sa London. Magiging turista tayo for today's video.
Kaya naman, let's go!
Let's go! Hi guys! So we're back. So nandito kami ngayon sa London Eye. You can see in our background. And then, pag lumingin ka sa kabilang side, the Big Ben!
Ay, wala pang picture sa London Eye.
Yeah, sige. Picturean kita.
Para na gumawa.
Actually, so
Picture na lang ko ng
nandito na kami. And then, naging photographer ako ng friend ko. A very touristy.
Yeah, I came all the way from
The land of the clover.
the stolen na. Ay, nakabuhan ako sa'yo. Who stole our land?
Yeah, so we're exploring now the Westminster.
So, where are we?
Sa telephone booth. Yeah.
Yeah!
Okay. Bye! Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog!
Hi!
So I'm here again with my friends. We're on a day 2
Yep.
of her trip here in London. So ngayon ay nasa Greenwich Park kami, which is my favorite park here. Yeah, papakita namin sa inyo mamaya yung view from Greenwich Park. Makikita nyo yung view ng skyline ng Canary Wharf.
We'll see the where's the like prime meridian thing?
The Prime Meridian thing, yeah, I'll show it to you later. The line, the famous historic line.
Yeah.
Where like 0, 0, 0, 0, everything is 0. Yeah, so palakad kami ngayon, pupunta kami sa tuktok ng Greenwich Park. Kung saan makikita nyo din yung Queen Anne's house, which is right there. Yeah, pero maganda yung view. And then makikita nyo yung Old Royal Naval College. So yeah, so medyo parky lang yung background namin, pero maganda yan. See ya!
Ay, pwede parang ganda mag-selfie dito ng sun.
Hi guys! So nandito na kami sa tuktok ng Greenwich Park. At may i-expose akong friend ko.
No!
May sikreto siyang malupit. Pwedeng pabulong. Hindi pwedeng pabulong kasi maingay. So nandito na kami sa Royal Observatory sa Greenwich. Yan, yun na yun sa background ko. Yan. And then mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung view ng Canary Wharf skyline. So yeah. Ano na ba natin ang sikreto mo?
Che.
Yeah, I'll show it to you. My favorite park, the Greenwich Park, and the view of it. So beautiful. Very demure, very cutesy. Hey, bilisan mo na. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Oh God. Here. Almost there with the view of Canary Wharf. Yeah, how are you enjoying London so far? Okay. So here is the view. So amazing, so beautiful. So yeah. Later. Hindi yan line na yan. See you later. So yun guys, nandito kami sa tuktok ng Greenwich Park. And this is my favorite view. You have the view of the Canary Wharf. And as you can see on the other side, pag zoom in mo yan, nandyan yung Central London. Makikita mo din siya. And nandito ang friend ko. Look. Ano niya? And on the right hand side, so nandyan yung O2 Arena. Pero dito yung Canary Wharf skyline. Yeah, so here we are in Greenwich Park, and then on this side, you can see yung the famous Prime Meridian, the historic Prime Meridian. Yep, here. Yeah, later, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung linya. That's the line, yun na yun.
Where's the line?
So now, we're entering yung famous Prime Meridian. Ito, free entry lang to. Yeah. Wait lang ako muna. Para, kasi one people at a time lang siya. Yeah. So here, this is yung free na the Prime Meridian. So as you can see, yan yung east longitude and then the west longitude. So this is the famous Prime Meridian. Yan na yan. B. So yan ang famous Prime Meridian with my friend. Nakatapak na siya. Here. Yeah. Look. Were you amazed? Okay. Let's go here. Oh, hi guys, welcome to Manila, but carry on. So we're now here sa National Maritime Museum, which is the world's largest maritime museum. So here, you can see napakalaking barko. And then here, you can see the different things. Na kami ngayon, papunta na kami sa pinagshootingan nung tapat ng Bridgerton's house. They call it here yung Ranger's house, which is a museum. So hindi siya yung mismong loob kung saan sinut, pero yung labas lang. So my friend is a fan of Bridgerton, feeling prinsesa. Dutch milk lang naman ang favorite niya. Hindi siya Duchess, Dutch milk lang favorite niyang drink. Or Yakult, ganyan. So we're almost there. As you can see, very autumn feels yung ambience here. Yan.
Yan na ba yan?
Yeah, we're almost, yeah. Here we are! So mapakita ko niyo yung harap lang kasi yun lang naman yung ano, kasi temporary close yung museum, so we're not able to go inside, but it's not free, so may bayad siya. So here it is. Pakita ko sa inyo. Here, this is the Bridgerton's
Walang flowers.
house. Yeah. Diyan sinut yung unahan nung I think, if I'm not mistaken, ito din yung Paddington na house. Yeah, here. So, yeah. Diyan sinut yung Bridgerton. Look, 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 look. Mrs. Bridgerton? Kidding. Mrs. Bridgerton? Lady Whistledown? Yan. So that's the whole house.
Anthony Bridgerton!